Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you an extraordinary story of a mother, a rare medical phenomenon, and two special births. Before we dive into this incredible tale, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. In a 1 in a million occurrence, Kelsey Hatcher, a 32-year-old woman from Alabama, made headlines with a unique childbirth story. Not one, but two births in just 2 days. Kelsey was diagnosed at age 17 with a rare congenital anomaly called Uterus Didelphys, meaning she has a double uterus. This condition affects only 0.3% of women worldwide. Kelsey, already a mother of 3, was expecting again. However, during a routine ultrasound, a surprising discovery was made. She was pregnant in both uteri. Fast forward to 19th December, and Kelsey gave birth to her daughter Roxi. Then, in a twist straight out of a medical drama, her second daughter Rebel was born more than 10 hours later, on the 20th. Medical professionals at UAB Hospital, including Professor Richard Davis and Dr. Shweta Patel, describe this as a unique and challenging case. With each baby in a separate womb, the pregnancies required specialized monitoring and care. These miracle babies, as described by Kelsey on social media, are doing well and are back home to enjoy the holidays. The UAB team, who performed the deliveries, called it a once-in-a-lifetime experience. This story is not just about the rarity of the medical condition but also about the wonders of motherhood and the expertise of medical professionals. Kelsey's journey and the safe arrival of her daughters Roxi and Rebel remind us of the incredible mysteries and joys of life. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more inspiring stories. See you in the next video.